Hi, I'm Todd Gingrich. I'm an assistant professor of chemistry at Northwestern University. My research interests are basically how does one use computers, computation, mathematics in order to answer and study problems in chemistry. It's a very big area and there's all sorts of ways that you divide that up into different sub-problems. Northwestern Chemistry is just a fantastic chemistry department. Okay? And if you go around, you look online, you look at lists, you'll find all sorts of things said. Okay? One thing that will be clear is it is a very highly respected department among academics in the area. What that means is there are a bunch of professors who are truly world leaders in what they do, in their research. Right? They are highly sought after. They travel around the world because the things that happen in their labs are, writing scientific history. By coming to Northwestern, you get to interact with that. That is a non-negligible thing. In my class, you're going to learn that I have adopted the idea that a lot of learning happens through problem sets, through detailed problems that are kind of hard, that you're not going to find in your textbook, and that I'm going to set you off on sort of a scavenger hunt with your peers to track down these multi-part problems, and that there's going to be a lot of support along the way if you can learn and convince yourself to ask for it. And we're going to do a lot of learning by looking at sort of raw data that you would get from experiments, talking about the types of experiments that could be done and talking about the way that we make inferences from those experiments to tell a story. It's a story that many students are already familiar with, a story about how electrons and protons are arranged in atoms, about how they can combine multiple atoms together to make bonds and molecules. But we're going to try to dig down into where that story actually comes from, the types of physical measurements that can be made.